All right. All right, like that.
Ooh, I felt...
Too much?
No, it cracked. It felt good.
I feel that.
Ooh, that hurts.
Yeah, there's 2 bones out here.
Ooh.
1, 2. Not so bad over here.
It doesn't hurt at all on that side.
Yeah, your symptoms match what I'm feeling. Okay. So here's the atlas. Okay, so you might have when did this start?
Maybe a week ago?
Okay.
Week or
that
2?
is good timing then. Yeah, it's locked. That's locked. Come on your back. Chin back for me. Okay, chin way up. Right here. That's all it's gonna go. Hey guys, if you didn't know already, we released our brand new roller. If you pay close attention, you'll see it in the background of every single one of my videos. Shaped and designed by yours truly, it's made to get in those tough to reach areas. Go check the link in my bio to visit our official merch website. Chin back.
Ooh.
Okay. See, that's better.
Mm-hmm.
That one still locked. C2 right there. You okay?
Mm-hmm. Oof.
That's it. There it goes. Nothing.
Yeah, that doesn't hurt at all. Mm-hmm. But right when I touch right there, it hurts.
Yeah, I feel it.
The smallest touch.
Low back pain?
A little, but it's just if I am working, sitting on my desk for a couple days, and I'll feel it ever since I started doing yoga for the last couple months, it relieves that lower pain. It's not too bad. It doesn't hurt. It's just I sat for too long.
Okay. I'm gonna pull chin up for me. Relax here. Good. Okay, anything hurt there when I do that?
No.
And how about this side?
Nah.
You have way more flexibility though.
It's the yoga.
Okay. Let's see if I can get this one, okay? Mm-hmm. Deep breath in. Oh yeah. And again. There she goes. And again. Breathe again. Good. Is that sore?
Not really.
Okay. Just saw a little flicker, so I'm asking. I'm gonna pull. Nothing there. Oh, out. Okay. And again. Okay, just making sure I get them all. Do that though, in reverse. So let's see. I'm gonna pull, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I have way more grip on when you're face down. I can just kind of push and hold here. Doesn't take me too much effort. Am I on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me know if it's like going to your eyeball or something.
Okay.
This one right here feels like the worst one, the most swollen.
I can hear it like in my head.
I know, it's kind of like it clicks.
Yeah, it does.
It does to me too. You know, it's nothing like oh, why does that happen? You know, it happens to all of us when it's swollen like that. It does like a little click.
Mm-hmm.
It's that blue light we're all addicted to. There is something to it. You could try going outside more. People are like, do I need blue blockers? I'm like, no,
Oh
just
my god.
just go outside.
Just turn your phone off.
If you have to use your phone, go outside.
But then they have the Apple Watches on, so it makes no difference.
What do you
Keep
mean?
checking. Like, especially like now that I've been going to yoga like every day, they're like they don't allow phones inside, right? But everyone's got their Apple Watches on and they're just like clicking on their watch.
That for what? What's on there?
Their text messages come through and
Oh,
You can answer text. It's like really hard.
well, it's really hard to type.
you can do anything on that thing.
No, I have one and just I never use it. I'm just like, you know, I'm off. You know, I'm clocking
Yeah.
out. I'm off.
Well, if I needed to check, I would just check my phone.
Yeah, I would just check my phone. That's true. This is all crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you know, look at that, smooth, and then bloop, 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 bloop.
I feel it.
It could be into your shoulder here a tiny bit, you know? I definitely feel it. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just let me know if it's too much.
It doesn't really hurt, just like you said, it's crunchy.
Okay. I'm gonna go a little harder then. Doesn't hurt? Well,
I regret what I said.
I'm just kidding. I do need to go a little harder if I can.
Okay. Doesn't hurt.
She's like, oh. Just to there. Just that. There you go. There you go. Just get under here. Sometimes there's one over here. So, okay, deep breath in again. Whoa. That's it. Oh, you got one right here.
Ooh, I feel that.
Yeah. Yeah, there she is down here. Ooh, the right side right here. It's time. You know, it's time to come back. It builds up.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta have it done again. I always tell people, how often do you brush your teeth? How often do you, you know, get your teeth cleaned? You're gonna find what works.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, some years are stressful, some aren't.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe being more active in yoga, you know, you're just using everything more, so you're building muscle, using your upper back.
Mm-hmm.
And that anytime you use your arms like that, you will tighten this region.
Yeah.
And there is an adjustment period that happens.
I felt it like ever since I've been doing like down dog more. It's just like in those upper shoulders. And I try to like move my shoulders down, like get them away from my ears. But I still feel it.
Then just go easy on them.
Yeah.
Handstands are like those inversions are difficult in yoga.
Oh, I don't do those.
There you go. So it's taking me more work for this right side than
I
the
feel
left.
it. Which initially I didn't, but now I feel it. It's like, I don't know. A little
It's getting
sore.
there. It's getting there. But you will be sore. You know, it's. So put my elbow in there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now you got a few over here, so. This is more like joint. I'm pushing on your ribs here. Good. No, this feels much better. Okay. There we go. All right. All right. Okay. Oh, it's calmed down. I gotta go a little harder. Yeah, these lower guys are never fun. Work on me and my dad.
I always told him when he was younger to go to chiropractic school so I could have this benefit when I got older. And he didn't listen to me.
You have to pay for him to go through school, I guess.
I literally would have done that. So
I'll
would've
switch
been worth
paths
it.
right now.
It's
You
too
probably
late.
could.
He's about to graduate. It's too late.
No.
I'll get a double
He hasn't taken any like science.
Your bachelor's or like a master's?
bachelor's.
Have you taken any science with the lab?
Not with the lab.
He took chemistry, I think.
Need
Right?
like 12 credits for lab.
Yeah, no.
So that's 3 classes. Make sure you had 3 with the lab, and then you would be fine. If you ever want to change, but then you do have to like be comfortable touching people all day.
That's too much work.
Too lazy, huh?
Linnea is like, she's studying for it right now, and she's like, I don't want to. She's like, I'll just look at imaging. Yeah, you can do that too. She don't want to touch anyone. You can do that too. You don't have to do this on everybody. You can become a YouTuber. Right there is where I want to use it. That's it. Oh, you gotta use a lump there. Separate these down, drop these down, drop these down. Yes, there we go. How's that?
I feel it.
Yeah, this is about where I need to be. It's up to you.
It doesn't really hurt. I mean, it just feels like I feel it.
It's like something's in my back.
It doesn't hurt, no.
Okay. Breathe, 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 breathe. Wow. Okay. Go back up here again. Yeah, you're good, you're good. Lower lower this, lower this, lower this. Yeah, it's just me pushing these ribs in like that.
Ooh, I felt.
Too much?
No, it cracked. It felt good.
Like you let me know. If they're real sore, they'll kind of they'll sting a little.
No, it doesn't sting.
Okay. Feels good. Tight, loose. Yeah. Okay. So you were much more flexible with yoga, but this is still tight. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Whoosh. This side doesn't have as much. Well, hold on. I don't know about up here. Tuck your chin to your chest. Yeah. Feel that crunchiness up there. Okay, let's do the neck. Tuck your chin to your chest, just for this part. Stuff goes right into the skin. Drink some water after this. How many days are you usually sore afterwards?
Like physically sore, like maybe a day or two at most. Not too bad.
Okay.
But,
I
like,
worked
to
a
touch
little.
sore, a couple days.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You're like, oh.
See it on that side, like on the lower back.
Yeah, down here, that was that little
Oh.
spot.
I felt that.
And then elbow back and towards mine. Oh, yeah.
See?
Go more. Go. Okay. Elbow. Oh, good. I got you. Let it go. Now this one, I don't know how much is in there. We'll find out. Oh, a lot.
Still there?
Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah.
It's fine.
All right, so this is your roller now. Okay, you're gonna use this.
It's okay if I bleed on it.
Yes. Put arms up and over. Get that. Now, how does it feel up in that neck there?
It feels like, it's not like pressure, it's just like, it like opened up.
Okay. All right, now you can roll off to the side. Same thing for you. We're gonna do them in a second. Okay.